Hi dear friends, we were discussing module number 7A, an introduction to media writing. In this chapter and in my previous video, we discussed about punctuation marks. There are many punctuation marks including apostrophe, round bracket, square bracket, colon, comma, dash, exclamatory mark, full stop, question mark, quotation mark, double inverted, and semicolon. We have discussed already this punctuation marks in detail. Today we are going to discuss revolution in computer speak. You know very well that this is the world of computer. The person who doesn't know the computer will not survive in his or her future. So this is the revolution of not only information but also the knowledge of computer. This is the basic qualification to have computer literate. If you don't have the knowledge of computer, definitely you will face many problems. So it is quite essential to have the knowledge, at least basic knowledge of computer. Revolution in computer speak called a revolution in communication. If you can speak it, you can write it. It means that you are able to write whatever you speak. A new software program which runs a computer program which turns a personal computer into a Hindi word processor enables an English keyboard to convert text into 5 North Indian languages. Means there is a revolution in computer field. If you write in particular language, suppose you are going to write in Marathi language, it will automatically convert into English, or if you are writing in English, it will automatically convert into Marathi. This kind of software is already there in the computer. I would like to inform you more about the computer, that now the computers are available, that computers are able to convert your speech. I am not saying about writing or typing something. The computers are able to convert your speech into desired language. Suppose you are speaking in English, your speech will be converted into Marathi if you want to convert it into Marathi. If you are speaking in Hindi or in Marathi, and if you want to convert your speech in English, definitely that will be converted into English. So this ability is there with the computer nowadays. And the process of the computer is developed in such a way that your typed version can be converted into at least 5 Indian languages. Written for Windows 4.0, it allows the PC user to type Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi and Punjabi phonetically. Windows 4 is developed in such a way that you can type Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi and Punjabi in English to be translated into the appropriate Indian at the press of 2 keys. Most people who speak the languages cannot write them. There are many people living in India that they speaking their language, but the lipi, we can call it, is not available. So such language is not written. Most people who speak the language cannot write them. For instance, namaste is Hindi for hello. If we say hello in English, what is the exact similar or similar meaning word in Hindi is namaste. If a Hindi speaker types that on the English keyboard and then press the capital H keys, the program converts the text into Hindi. Suppose you want to type hello, and if you press shift and capital H, then this hello is automatically converted into Hindi. That is namaste. The program does away with compare some keyboard's layout. So this is the facility provided through your personal computer. You have to just know about it. If you want to improve your knowledge regarding this conversion of language from one language to another language, if you want to convert your text into another language, so there is a facility in computer, definitely, and you have to learn about it. So definitely there is a revolution in computer field, no doubt at all. The second point is online editing, that is electronic editing. The introduction to online editing to the final year students of graduation is on the assumption or need that most of the would-be graduates are computer literates. I have already told you that if you don't have the knowledge of computer, basic knowledge of computer, definitely you will face many problems in your future life, in your job, in your business also. If you go anywhere, in the government office, in the business shops, in the simple medical store, or in the hospital, in the college, in the educational institutions, everywhere, if you go, you will see computers are there. Even small childs or children, even small children are using mobiles for their online lectures nowadays. What we are doing, we are also organizing all our lectures online, and you are taking your mobile in your hand and download all these lectures and see the lectures online. So definitely you have the knowledge of computer, no doubt at all, but you must know how to convert your language into another language. You must know how to use Word Office. You must know how to use Excel. The person who is able to use Excel, he will do each and everything in the computer. This is my assumption. This is my idea. Maybe there are much more facilities which I don't know. But at least you should know how to work in Excel, how to give calculations to Excel file so that you can easily convert desired figures. It is very easy if you learn properly. There is also a good demand for online editors in English language. Online editors in English language, there are very much requirement for such students or such resource persons who can easily edit English language online. To know the importance of electronic editing, proofreading, one can Google for the rates of online editing. Proofreading is a very tedious job because you must know uh, all the patterns of language, particular language. If you are doing a job in proof reading and editing of a text, you must know all the basic rules and regulations of a particular language. Just like the proofreading of a printout, the editors also need to go for on-screen reading. Every time there is printout is not available there. If you are in the field of proofreading and editing the particular news, sometimes you have to go online so that you can edit the material properly. All the English language skill important for editing of a print copy are essential for online editing. Print copy is quite essential, no doubt at all. There may be some illusions while editing online on the screen. So print copy is supporting you in such editings. Besides, one need to master the use of MS Word for the desktop publishing. MS Word, you must be mastered on it. If you don't know how to work in MS Word, then there will be a problem for you in editing field. Electronic editing involves making changes in computer documents. The documents which is already sent to you by the reporters, for the editing you have to change the sent document by the reporters. You have to make changes as per you required, along with font type, font size, use of words in capitals or bold letters. There are many problems like this. Font size is not appropriate. Font type is not appropriate. Sometimes there is a words in capital letters or bold letters. You want to remove all these capital and bold letters in your editing. Line spacing, margin, alignment, page layout, reference style, header and footer. The editors have to check and insert cross references wherever necessary. So there are many things like this you have to correct while editing, online editing. So MS Word, which includes bold letters, capital letters, spacing, margin, alignment, page layout, reference style, header and footer. So all these operations in the computer you must know. Then and then only you will be able to convert or edit the received material into proper way. The technicalities of editing online include functions like column breaks, as newspaper articles are in columns, All articles in newspapers are in columns. There is a specific margin in a particular column. You have to maintain these columns in your editing also. With the help of all these things, you must know MS Words and how to work in MS Words, so that you will be able to edit the news effectively and properly. That will be beneficial for your job also. Remaining part of the chapter we will see in my next video. Till then, thank you.